Dear students, let's pray together. Rabbi, zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn E. E, E. E, E, insects. E, igloo. E, iguana. E, ink. E, inchworm. E. Children, let's start the story of sound E. A family has a white pet mouse. One night, the cage door is left open and the mouse escapes. It runs along the desk and knocks over an ink bottle. The mouse is splashed by ink. It squeaks E and tries to rub it off. Now the mouse is called Inky. Children, let's start the poem of E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. E, Inky's wet. This is the action of E. Stretch your lips and say E. Children, object find out the beginning sound. Does igloo start with the sound E? Yes, it is. Does the ink start with the sound E? Yes, it is. Does the insect start with the sound E? Yes, it is. Does the tree start with the sound E? No. Does the banana start with the sound E? No. Ink, igloo, insects. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.